So apparently, may mga questions pa rin tayo regarding the T-Shell Niacinamide Brightening Serum. So sasagutin natin yan ngayon. First question, pwede daw ba siyang gamitin na skin prep before makeup? Pwedeng-pwede. Gustong-gusto ko siyang ginagamit during the day before I apply my sunscreen. So kasama na rin siya sa skin prep ko before makeup. Next question, good for oily skin ba? Yes, oily skin ako and hindi siya malagkit on the skin. Next question, okay daw ba siya for dark spots? Of course, kasi yun talaga yung tina-target niya. Meron siyang 5% niacinamide, alpha-arbutin, and vitamin C. So yung tatlong yun, very good yun for dark spots. Kung matagal na kayong viewer, di ba marami akong dark spots dito. Hindi pa naman perfect yung skin ko, but as you can see, ang laki na talaga ng improvement niya. Pinaka-importante and common na question, is it FDA approved? Of course, it's FDA approved. Very transparent ang T-Shell when it comes to their documents, kaya naman maaasahan talaga natin siya na safe. Let me quickly show you the texture. As you can see, watery siya. Pero hindi siya yung serum na sobrang labnaw. Mararamdaman mo pa rin yung moisturization niya on the skin. May nagtanong din ng scent nito. Yung scent niya is aloe vera. Kasi meron din siyang aloe vera extract na nakaka-moisturize ng skin. It's an all-in-one serum. Hindi lang siya whitening, brightening serum. Nakaka-heal din siya ng skin barrier. So if you have more questions about the T-Shell Niacinamide Brightening Serum, please let me know in the comments and I'll try my best na sagutin yan. Thank you!